Hi, I'm Renuka Tiwari. I'm an architect and an interior designer, and I'm a faculty and mentor for students. I'm doing this workshop with Nicole for visual designers. It's a workshop on extending a brand. It's extending brand into the third dimension. So it's a little different from what students are doing here already, right? So it's been really fun working with these students, right? They are so energetic and really, motivated, and especially going with the hands-on work, right? So initially we started with some explorations, creative explorations, because from thinking from 2D to 3D takes a little bit of an effort, right? So we did some explorations with hand, then we did some impromptu setups. Of course, we understood the context of visual merchandising first, and then we picked up a brand, and then we figured out what are the values of the brand, and how do we translate those abstract values and feelings and ideas and notions of that brand into tangible three-dimensional setup, right? So they do some sketches, etc. That's the process they went through. So it's a lot about experiential learning. It's also about conceptualizing. It's about active experimentation. So after they do that, then they reflect and then they observe what they've done, and then they realize, oh, this is what we learned. So it's a bit of a reverse. I always prefer to teach it that way, to go it that way. First you do something, you experiment, or you have some experiential learning, and then you absorb what you did, because then your confidence really goes up with that. So that's something that they've done, and it's really fantastic bunch, very energetic. So we have about 7 setups in group work, and it's been a very fun workshop and a lot of ideas coming through, and kids have really spent a lot of effort. So it's been a lot of fun.